Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls, or imposters who have kittens who climb computer desks, or desk. Actually, I rather like the little kitten, but Harley is very cute, and I do watch the videos. At times, I watch them for Harley. There's Fuzzy, and saw a video today where they rescued a little tiny baby kitten who was left by a dumpster, and apparently there was a mama cat there. She had no interest in it, and now it's very sweet. It's got a home, and they're taking care of it. That was in Turkey, I think. Okay, this is Burgh Unboxing. Here's the box. Let's un-it. And that's Burgh with a B-U-R-G-H, not B-U-R-G. Okay. Get rid of the box. And this is my new refurbished cell phone with a 90-day limited warranty. If you live past 90 days, it stops working, I guess. Okay. And we have the card here from Tracfone, the activation, how to activate it. And I already looked at this, but I was curious. Now this is pretty much the same phone, I think, as the one my friend sent me. And I hope I ordered a SIM card, because I don't remember. If I didn't, I'm going to have to order a SIM card. And there's the back of the phone. This is for people who've never seen an Android phone before. Then we have the MEI numbers. I'm not going to show those. And then we have a bag that I think something came in. And then we have the phone itself with some kind of tape. Oh, I guess it's a squash screen protector that is all squashed. I don't know why. Boy, that's definitely wrinkled. I don't know if I can use that or not. I have to call them and say, will you send me one on the envelope, cardboard? Okay, please charge your battery for at least 5 hours for using your phone. So remove that. Here's the inside of the phone, the front of the phone. Can't open that up with my hands, too tough. And I washed my hands before I did all this. When I got home, every time I go out cat feeding, I come back and wash my hands and face, particularly on a hot day like this. There's the battery. So let's I think that's how long. Maybe not. All right, there's the battery. And you have the Tracfone manual, Guia de Servicio, Services Guide. And we have the charging cable and the charging brick. And LG Rebel 4 LTE manual. Another Tracfone terms and conditions, and a thing, and I don't see a SIM card in there, so I think I'm in deep trouble. I'm going to call them and say I did not order a SIM card, and I didn't know. Oh, wait a minute, there's one already in here. I see the SIM card. It's already in the phone. So, all I have to do is plug this in and charge it, and we'll see what happens. And then you got to get on the site and activate it. So let me open this stuff up. Boy, this is tough plastic. It don't want to open. My other phone, my free Android Medicare phone, died on Friday, and while I can make calls on the iPad, thank God, I haven't had a phone since Friday, so it's been a source of great distress for a lot of reasons. Okay, this says LG Electronics, and take the little wire off. And we'll plug that in once I get this one open. Are you going to cooperate open? Not as tough, but tough enough. All right, there's the brick. And so we have this multi-charging thingy, which I'm very thankful. I'm going to get another one for the bedroom and one for my bed. All right, we will plug it in. And we will put the back of the phone on. There we go. Clicking. And I get this working, and if I ever activate the other phone, I can have 3 mobile strike positions. All right. There it is. The working Android phone, or at least it's charging, and now it just buzzed at me. So I'll let it charge for 5 hours. Oh, by the way, I found they were on the floor. I found the instructions to the cat thing. And it's kind of funny, the pictures, the Moji Moto. There's the pictures. And all the creatures. French fries, a hamburger, a unicorn, an ice cream thing, a monkey, a sun, a pile of poo, and a cat, and a cherry tomato it looks like, and I don't know, a dog I think, a fire hydrant maybe, I don't know, an elf. And what you're supposed to do with this is you're supposed to sing. You'll play music, but you press button on top, hold until you hear it beep. I gotta be pressing till next week here. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot to turn it on. There we go. All right. Hello. Hello. What we have here is failure to communicate. Hello. Hello. Must be one of them Gavin Newsom sign language cats. Hello. Hello. There we go. What do you think of the mass spoofer? Has no opinion. I think you have to practically put this in your mouth here. What do you think of the mass spoofer? Has no opinion. Do you like cats? Do you like cats? Do you like cats? Maybe the batteries are dead. I don't know. All right. Can you say I am a cat? I am a cat. Like I said, I don't know. There's something wrong with this thing. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Goodbye. I give up. Boy, what a failure. All right. I tried. Next shoot, but don't work with a damn hardly. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.